Everyone thinks the best-selling die-cut machine is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Some popular machines cut corners, literally, while others deliver clean, consistent results even after hundreds of uses. Let's break down the real winners. Product number 1, Sizzix Big Shot. First up, the Sizzix Big Shot. This is the classic workhorse of the crafting world, no frills, just solid performance. At $215, it's mid-range in price, but what stands out is its reputation. Even though this listing has no reviews, Sizzix has been trusted by crafters for over 2 decades. If you want reliability and compatibility with thousands of dies, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Big Shot has a 6-inch opening, so it handles standard A5 and letter-sized paper with ease. It's manual, which means you control the pressure, no guessing if the motor will slip or overheat. That consistency is key when you're doing intricate cuts or deep embossing on thick cardstock. Plus, it works with dies from almost every major brand, so you're not locked into one ecosystem. Now, some people complained about the lack of included plates or dies. This listing is machine only. Here's the thing though, that's actually common with Sizzix. They sell the machines separately so you can build your kit over time. It's not a scam, just how they do business. If you're starting fresh, you'll need to buy plates and dies separately, which adds to the cost. This is perfect for you if you're serious about crafting long-term and want a machine that won't break down after a few projects. Skip this one if you want everything in one box right out of the gate. For the build quality and brand trust, it's solid value. Product number 2, Craft Jeans Complete Pink Set. Now, if the Sizzix's barebones approach turned you off, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Craft Jeans die cutting machine comes in a bright pink finish and includes a full starter kit, papers, dies, stamps, folders, and multiple plates, all for under $80. That's a huge selling point if you're just getting into crafting. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-inch opening matches standard paper sizes, and the included 10 cardstock sheets, 2 die sets, and 2 embossing folders mean you can start creating immediately. No extra shopping. The manual crank gives you control, and the ABS construction feels sturdy for the price. It's also completely portable, no cords, no noise, perfect for crafting on the couch or at a friend's house. Now, some people complained about the plates wearing out quickly or the cuts not being as clean on thicker materials. Here's the thing though, for light to medium cardstock and occasional use, it performs really well. The issue usually comes with heavy-duty or repeated use. If you're doing daily scrapbooking or selling handmade cards, this might not hold up long-term. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or casual crafter who wants an affordable, all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you plan to use it heavily or work with thick materials like chipboard. For the price and included extras, it's a steal. Product number 3, Anna Griffin Empress Mini. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for detailed work. The Anna Griffin Empress Mini is a compact electric machine that blends power with precision. At $253, it's a step up in price, but the semi-automatic operation makes a real difference. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The electric motor handles the pressure for you, so every pass is consistent, no hand fatigue, no uneven cuts. It handles dies up to 4.25 x 7.5, which is great for larger cards or multi-die layouts. The magnetic mat is a game changer. It holds your dies in place without tape, so you can cut multiple shapes at once without them shifting. That's huge for efficiency. Now, some people complained about the smaller plate size compared to full-size machines. Here's the thing though, that's the trade-off for portability and speed. It's not meant to replace a large machine, but to complement one. If you're doing small to medium projects, the size is actually perfect. This is perfect for you if you want electric convenience without the bulk of a large machine. Skip this one if you regularly work with full 6-inch wide designs. For detailed card making and scrapbooking, it's a smart upgrade. Product number 4, Anna Griffin Empress Elite. Now, if the Empress Mini's size limitation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with serious power and space. The Anna Griffin Empress Elite is their flagship electric model, 10% faster than previous versions and built for heavy use. At $431, it's the most expensive on this list, but it's designed for professionals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large plates and 360-degree turntable let you load, adjust, and unload materials without repositioning the machine. That saves time and reduces errors. The electric motor delivers consistent pressure across the entire surface, so even complex multi-layer cuts come out clean every time. It's also quieter than many competitors, which is nice if you craft late at night. Here's the thing though, once you get the layering right, the results are flawless. The manual includes clear diagrams, and after a few tries, it becomes second nature. It's not for instant gratification, but for precision. This is perfect for you if you run a small craft business or craft daily. Skip this one if you're a casual hobbyist or on a tight budget. For the performance and durability, it's worth the investment. Product number 5, Spellbinders Platinum. Finally, the Spellbinders Platinum die cutting machine. At $223, it sits right between the Sizzix and Anna Griffin in price, but it brings some unique engineering to the table. The 6-inch platform and universal plate system make it highly compatible and user-friendly. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The plates are designed to work with minimal effort, less hand strain, smoother passes. The alignment is spot-on, so your cuts stay precise even after dozens of uses. It's also compatible with most third-party dies, so you're not locked into one brand. The build feels premium with metal components where it counts. Now, some people complained about the lack of electric options. This is manual only. Here's the thing though, that's actually a strength for many crafters. Manual machines last longer, are quieter, and give you full control. If you don't mind cranking, you'll get years of reliable use. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality manual machine with excellent plate engineering. Skip this one if you absolutely need electric power. For the balance of price, performance, and durability, it's one of the best all-around choices. So which one should you pick? If you're starting out, go with the Craft Jeans set. For everyday crafting, the Sizzix Big Shot or Spellbinders Platinum are rock solid. Need electric convenience? The Empress Mini is great for details, while the Empress Elite is built for pros. Each has its place, just match it to your needs, not the hype.